Greetings and welcome to Reminders for iOS, a video tutorial from the MacU.com. The Apple Reminders app provides a way to save things we want to remember, but they might not be something you would add to your calendar as an event. Reminders can just be basic lists that have items that are then manually checked off. Or we can set up scheduled or location-based reminders that will alert us at a certain time or place. It is also possible to organize reminders into lists and folders, as well as assign reminders to a contact. Reminders can be synced via iCloud or another account type such as Exchange or Google. I'll be utilizing iCloud Sync in this tutorial. The reminder toggle is turned on in iCloud settings on both the iPhone and iPad. Let's take a look at the Reminders interface. On the iPad, we have the sidebar on the left, and the reminders in the selected list are presented to the right. On the iPhone, we have the same sidebar as on the iPad. We need to tap on a list to view the reminders within it on the next screen. Tap the back button or swipe left to right to return. In the sidebar, we currently have 7 Smart Lists at the top. These will automatically display reminders that pertain to each category. The Today Smart List will display any scheduled reminders that have been set for today's date. Scheduled will display all scheduled reminders. All will display every reminder from all lists and folders. Flagged will only display reminders that have been manually flagged. And Assigned will show reminders that I have been assigned to. We will cover assigned reminders later on. Urgent reminders will trigger an alarm on our device or devices. We will also cover these in their own lesson. And we can see all reminders that have been recently marked as completed from this list. From the More button in the upper right, tap Edit Lists to set what smart lists are displayed in the sidebar or rearrange them. So if you tend to not flag reminders, that smart list can be hidden. Below the smart lists are the reminders lists that have been created manually. Currently, I just have a single list called Reminders and one reminder within it. Tap to select a reminder and edit its title. Tap the Info button to the right to further edit or add details. At the top of the sidebar, we have a search field. If I enter laundry, my one reminder will turn up in the search. Obviously, this will become much more useful when you have many more reminders to search through. Next up, we will look at adding basic reminders.